Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is a class and its type. What is a class? A class is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. A class can either stand alone as a complete sentence or be a part of sentence that contains multiple clauses. There are two types of class. First one is independent class. An independent class is a class that can stand by itself as a sentence. It is also known as a simple sentence. An independent class, like all classes, has a subject and a process. For example, I washed my hair yesterday. Here, I is a subject and washed is a process. This is an independent class because it expresses a complete thought that can stand alone. Second one is a dependent class. A dependent class does not express a complete thought, so it cannot stand alone as a subject. It is also known as a subordinate class. A dependent class, like all classes, has a subject and a process. Example, I washed my hair yesterday because it was dirty. In this sentence, here I is a subject, washed is a process. My hair yesterday is independent class because it was dirty is a dependent class. This is a dependent class because it needs the independent class to provide a meaning, so it cannot stand alone. Thank you.